If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers on Etsy, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the problem and get your transfers processed. Step 1. Check your payment account. Ensure that your payment account is properly set up and linked to your Etsy shop. Verify that the account details are correct and that there are no issues with your bank or payment provider. Step 2. Review Etsy's transfer schedule. Understand Etsy's transfer schedule, which typically processes payments on specific days. Check if your pending transfer falls within this schedule and be patient if it is still within the processing timeframe. Step 3. Confirm your shop status. Make sure your shop is in good standing. If there are any policy violations or account restrictions, these could affect your ability to receive transfers. Resolve any outstanding issues with your shop. Step 4. Contact Etsy support. If the transfer remains pending beyond the expected timeframe, reach out to Etsy support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfer and any relevant account information. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your account for updates. Transfers may take a few days to process, so check back regularly to see if the status changes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with pending transfers on Etsy. If problems persist, continue to communicate with Etsy support for further assistance.